Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we have one very interesting question from algebra. X plus 2 over x equal to 2. We have to find x power 42 over 2 power 22 plus 2 power 20 over x power 42. So let's get started by writing here x cannot be 0 as we have x in the denominator. Required expression is E. Now we will write our known equation x plus 2 over x equal to 2. Now we are going to square both sides. So we'll put part 2 in the LHS and RHS. We will use a plus b whole square identity here, and we can write x square plus 2 over x whole square plus 2 times x times 2 over x equal to 2 square is 4. Now we can cancel x from numerator and denominator. So we will write x square plus 2 over x whole square will be 4 over x square plus 2 times 2 is 4 equal to 4. Now we will subtract 4 from both the sides. We will get 0 in the RHS, plus and minus 4 from LHS will be over. We are going to get one very interesting equation, x square plus 4 over x square equal to 0. Let us say this is our equation number 1. Now let me write here x square plus 4 over x square equal to 0. Now x cannot be 0. We can multiply both sides by x square. So let's multiply by x square in the LHS. So in the RHS, 0 times x square is 0. In LHS, we will be writing x power 4 plus 4 equal to 0. Now we will subtract 4 from both the sides and we will get x power 4 equal to negative 4. X power 4 is minus 4. Now we will be squaring both sides. So x power 4 whole square will be equal to minus 4 whole square. Now we know the power rule, a power b whole power c can be written as a power b times c. So we will multiply these two powers and we will get x power 8 equal to minus 4 times minus 4 becomes plus 16. X power 8 is 16 and x square plus 4 over x square is 0. Let's say this is second equation. Now we will write our target expression. Let me write x power 8 equal to 16 and 16 is 2 power 4 also. Now we will write required expression E. Here it is x power 42 over 2 power 22 plus 2 power 20 over x power 42. Now we have x power 42. So we will calculate x power 42 separately. We will write x power 42 as 40 plus 2. Using exponent law, we will write will be equal to x power 40 times x power 2. A power b plus c can be written as a power b times a power c. Now x power 40, we will write x power 8 times 5. Then we have times x square. So I will write x power 8 whole power 5 using power rule. A power b times c equal to a power b whole power c times x square. Now x power 8 is 2 power 4. So we will write here 2 power 4 whole power 5 times x square. Using power rule, we will write a power b whole power c equal to a power b times c. So we will write 2 power 4 times 5, which is 20, times x square. So the value of x power 42 will be 2 power 20 times x square. Let us replace x power 42 by 2 power 20 times x square. So I will write here E equal to x power 42. We will write 2 power 20 times x square, and in denominator we have 2 power 22 plus 2 power 20 over x power 42, which we will replace by 2 power 20 x square. Now 2 power 22 in the denominator, which we will write 2 power 20 times 2 power 2 plus 2 power 20 over 2 power 20 times x square. Now we will cancel 2 power 20 from the numerator and denominator here, and we will cancel 2 power 20 from numerator and denominator here. So I will write x square in the numerator over 2 square is 4 plus 1 in the numerator, x square in the denominator. Now we are going to take 1 over 4 common out. So in the bracket we will write x square plus 4 over x square. And as per our equation 1, this is 0. So we can write our answer. E will be equal to 1 over 4 times 0, which is 0. So final answer becomes expression value will be 0. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.